Hello everyone, welcome to Stock View channel. So in this channel I post video and content related to stock market. If you are really interested to learn more content about stock market, please do subscribe my channel and also like and share this video which motivate me to do more videos. And I also given my Telegram channel link in the description. You download Telegram app from the Play Store and click the link which I given in the description so you can join in the group. So in that group I will update news about the stock market. Also I update everyday intraday stocks, so you can make use of that. So today's video is about Nifty analysis, and also we are going to see FII DAI datas and also global market. So based upon that we can conclude what will be the Nifty movement in the next week, and also I am going to pick intraday stocks for Monday, which is 11th May. So I will first open the Nifty 50 chart. So this is the Nifty 50 chart, day chart. If you see, there was a uptrend for past 2 weeks. There was a uptrend, and this is the trend line. If you see here, the price has broke the trend line downside, and it was consolidating for last 4 days. If you see the FAI and DAI activity datas, you can, this is Thursday where 19,000 crores FAI bought in cash market. If you see here, it indicates cash. So they buy 19,000 crores in the cash market. In Friday, if you see, there are 1,724 crores they bought in cash market. DAI net DAI is positive on Thursday, which is 3,818, and in Friday it was minus 1,503 crores they sold in cash market. So if you see Thursday, there was huge buying in the market, both by FAI also by DAI. If you see 19,000 crore and 3,000 crores purchase in the market. But if you see the candlestick on Thursday candle, it was like doji. It was not like proper bullish candle. And if you see on Friday, the market opened gap up, and it was falling continuously throughout the day, and it closed near the previous day closing. So market cannot move upside even though the FAI and DAI are purchasing in the cash market. Continuously there was selling pressure in Thursday, also in the Friday. If the price crossed above this level 9,580, then we can see another strong bullish movement in the market. And also if the price close below the level 9,114, and there could be a strong selling pressure in the market. Until that there will be a consolidated market, so there must be breakout upside, or there should be a breakout downside. uh, if we see global market, all the global market are positive. Nasdaq USA market is positive of 2%, and European market is completely positive. Asian market SGX Nifty, which is closed at 9,313, it is also positive. So based upon Monday morning SGX Nifty open, we can decide the Indian market. So for the intraday stocks, first for buying I have selected 2 stocks, and for selling I have selected 2 stocks. If based upon the market, if market is negative we can go for selling, if market is positive we can go for buying. So first I will choose for selling, I have choose NTPC. This is NTPC 1 hour chart. If you see, there is a triangle pattern, and also the triangle pattern, there is a breakout in the triangle pattern. If you see here, this is a triangle. There was a clear breakout in the triangle pattern. So if market is in negative, you can sell NTPC, and you can see a good fall in the NTPC. And second stock for selling is Axis Bank. If you see here, there is a trend line again, uptrend line. The trend line has been broken. Also you can see a head and shoulder pattern, and the target for the Axis Bank is 320. If the market is in negative on Monday, again you can sell the stock, and there can be a good fall in the stock. Then you can see for the buying side. So buying side, I have chosen Gujarat Apollo Industries. So there is a continuous bullish candle in the Gujarat Apollo Industries. Continuously 3 days the price has been going up. So if market is in positive, again we can expect a good buying candle in Gujarat Apollo Industries. Also the volume in the Gujarat Apollo Industries increasing every day. So I will show that. Next is for next stock for buying is EAD Pari. That is also volume is been increasing every day. So if you see, this is day chart of EAD Pari. It is at resistance. If the price broke above 164, you can go for buying. There will be a good upside momentum if the price broke this level. If you see, there was a strong bullish candle on Friday closing. So this is another stock which is you can use for intraday for buying if the market is in positive trend. So these are the four stock I have chosen for the intraday. And I will show that volume gain stocks. So if you see here, this is 52-week high stocks. In that, Gujarat Apollo is there. Also in volume shocker, Gujarat Apollo is there. So if the breakout happens on Monday, this will be good stock for the buying side. So you can check every day the volume as well as price increasing stock. So based upon the volume breakout or price breakout, you can take the trade. And this is the money control website. So you can use this website for finding the volume breakout, as well as you can find the data of FAI DAI activity every day. They will update every day the net purchase and net selling of FAI as well as DAI. And also there will be many options available in the website. So you can just Google money control website, and if you click market, and you can see all the data which is given below. So that is the you can use this website for the data. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, also if you have gained some information from the video, please press like button. Also subscribe my channel, and also join my Telegram channel. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.